Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to go through the Minecraft basics. So first we're going to need to create new world. We don't need any of these. These are just mods, and you may not have these. You may have Elytra Swoop Force because I'm pretty sure you start off with that, but you may not have all of these because I've got all of I've paid for all of those. So let's just go here. Yeah, so we have survival mode. Alright, well, let's do world name first. Speaking. Let me just quickly finish typing. And there we go. So now let's go through these. So we have survival. Explore a mysterious world where you build, collect, craft, and fight monsters. Creative. Create, build, explore without limits. You can fly, have endless materials, and can't be hurt by monsters. We're going to choose survival for this world. Peaceful, easy, normal, and hard. So peaceful, no hostile mobs can hurt you, and you don't lose hunger. Easy, hostile mobs spawn, hurt you, but they don't do much damage, and you can lose hunger, but you don't lose much health. Normal, hostile mobs spawn more. They do a little more damage. When you run out of hunger, you get down to half a heart. And hard, hostile mobs spawn and deal a lot more damage. Hunger bar depletes and drains all health. So now let's go to it. Oh, and also, we're going to be setting it to easy today. Advanced, we have flat world, which means there'll be no trees, no mountains, no nothing. We don't want that on because then we won't be able to play the game. Starting map, which means when you join in, you'll have a map you'll be able to see what's around you, and you'll be able to map out stuff. Bonus chest, you just get extra items, and show coordinates means there'll be like diamonds that you could find, like if you show the coordinates around, it shows the coordinates around you. These we can turn on new respawn, so if you die you don't have to go to the menu. These are very important, so we won't talk about those. And if you want to know about something that I haven't told you, if you want to see something that I haven't showed you, like let's say like this exact one, then you can go in and try and find it yourself. So, invited players, anyone you send direct invite can join. Friends, anyone you've added as a Minecraft friend can join. Friends of friends. Friends of your Minecraft friends can join. We're gonna do just friends because I have someone that's gonna join and help us play. We have visitor. Visitors can only observe and your world and not interact with it. Members can build, attack players and mobs, and interact with items and entities. And operators can use teleport and use commands in addition to everything members can do. So we're gonna do members. Visible to land players, which means that players on your local network can join your world. We can have that one on. And friendly fire, players can damage each other. That's going to be on too. So cheats, we're going to turn cheats on when there's normal, always day. Normal means it can be day or night, and always day means it's only day. And keep inventory means when you die you don't lose all your stuff. We're going to have that on. Mob spawning, mob spawn naturally, we'll have that on. Mob griefing, entities drop loot. So there's just a ton of stuff, but we're going to turn on education edition because then we'll be able because then in chapter 2 we'll be able to do some pretty cool stuff. Resource packs, we don't really need those. Behavior packs, don't need those. And experiments, we kind of need those. Villagers, you don't need to do this. It's just so we get to see some of the stuff early. And okay, let's create the world.
Thanks for watching, and also check out my other video. My next video is how to survive your first day in Minecraft. You should watch it. You should watch it. It's really good. Bye. Like and subscribe.